Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you the new LT80 and KFX80 gusset set that we designed. This kit is to help prevent any of the common areas that break on the frame, but also just to strengthen it if you choose to race these quads. So based on some previous pictures and stuff like that, we designed and made a gusset kit for this frame, and we're going to be showing you where all the pieces go. That way it makes it easier and simpler installation. These are steel and they will need to be welded in. Again, it is a cut gusset set, so you might need some grinding and adjusting when installing these two. So I'll go ahead and show you where each piece goes, and like I said before, each piece is labeled, so it'll make it easier to install. This gusset set is going to be installed on our LT80 build that's in the process. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out that video, you'll see part 1 at the end of this one. Okay, so this is piece A, and this will go just like this, and that will strengthen and brace this whole back section. And once again, you might need to grind and adjust the pieces, but it does fit in there snugly, and that'll brace that piece. Okay, so for B, there's actually 3 B pieces that's going to go in this back part of the frame, and it's going to triangulate. And once again, you might need to grind, but you will put a piece in between there like that. You will put one piece in like that, and then your third piece will go just like that, right there, like that angle. Okay, and again on the diagram, you'll see the 2 F pieces, and they go on the front. And that way it's out of the way of the A-arms, and it'll brace this nice section nicely. Okay, now for C, there are many C sections. There's 12 to be exact. So for piece C, it's going to go on the back of the frame over here, so that'll brace that part over there. It is also going to brace the main frame up to the top, and that'll go in like that. So that'll be on this side and the other side too. And again for piece C, it's going to fit on the frame like there, on this side over there. Now for the front, you will need to grind this down to shape, just so we can use the same pieces, but that'll fit C over there, and it'll fit C right over there. So a little bit of grinding to do on these pieces, but it'll fit to frame. And for D, you got 2 D pieces, and they're going to fit in the frame in the back, just like that. Now to show you E, it's going to be a little tricky, but E does fit in the steering, and it will fit, let's see, it'll fit just like that. So that's how E will fit, and I'll show you the front of it, and you'll see how flush it sits inside. And I'm still showing you piece E, so if you take it away, and then if it goes in, you want to mount flush up against this line, up to the top, and it'll fit in just like that. And then you have it, everybody. That's how our gusset set gets installed onto the LT80 and KFX80 frame. It does fit the 1987 to 2006 LT80 and the 2003 to 2006 KFX80. Link will be down below with the link where you can buy it. Yeah, we have other gusset sets available for the Banshee, the 300EX, and we're coming out with a few other gusset sets too. So comment down below if there's a gusset set that you'd like us to design, or if there's one out there that's not doing the job and you kind of want it improved on. Once again, I want to thank you for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe too if you haven't already. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.